In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create custom partner incentives on PartnerStack. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your partner program, I'll walk you through the essential steps so you can start driving more sales and rewards with minimal effort. But first, before we dive in, did you know that PartnerStack offers a free version of their software? And with my exclusive bonus, you can get a supercharged free trial. Check out the first link below for all the details. Now let's jump into creating custom partner incentives on PartnerStack, which can really help you tailor rewards to the specific needs of your partners. This is crucial for motivating your affiliates, resellers, or influencers to push your product in ways that benefit both of you. When you first log into your PartnerStack dashboard, head over to the Incentives section. Here's where you can create and manage all the ways you reward your partners. To get started, click on Create Incentive and you'll be prompted with a few options. You can choose from flat rate payouts, percentage-based commissions, or even custom reward structures like milestone bonuses, which is a great way to engage top performers. Let's focus on how you can make a custom incentive. First, you'll need to select the partner type, whether it's for an affiliate, reseller, or another type of partner, and then decide on the payout type. This is where you'll really be able to personalize the incentives to your business goals. If you're working with affiliates who promote your product through referrals, a flat rate or percentage-based incentive might make sense. You can set this up by simply selecting the amount or percentage that you'd like to pay per sale or lead. And if you want to offer additional rewards based on milestones, like hitting a specific sales goal, you can use the milestone incentive feature, which allows you to set rewards for achieving certain targets. This is a powerful way to boost performance and drive results. For resellers, you might want to create a tiered system, rewarding your partners with higher incentives as they bring in more sales. With PartnerStack's custom incentive tools, you can easily create a tiered system where each new sales target unlocks an even bigger payout. This can motivate resellers to push harder and climb up the reward ladder, giving them something to strive for. Don't forget to customize the timing of your incentives. You can set up a recurring payout schedule, ensuring that partners get paid on a regular basis, which helps build trust and loyalty. This can also be useful for subscription-based products, where recurring commissions make sense. And if you need to track the performance of your custom partner incentives, PartnerStack makes it easy to view detailed reports. You'll be able to see how well your incentives are performing, which partners are driving the most sales, and if you need to adjust your incentive structures over time. One thing to keep in mind when setting up custom incentives is to keep it clear and simple for your partners. The more transparent you are about how the incentives work, the easier it will be for them to understand the rewards they're working toward. Clear communication here will help build stronger relationships and trust with your partners. Now, as you set everything up, remember that PartnerStack is designed to scale with you. Whether you're a startup or a well-established company, you can keep adjusting your incentive structure as your needs evolve. And with automation built in, you won't need to worry about manually tracking everything. PartnerStack does all the heavy lifting for you. If you're excited about the possibilities for your partner program, be sure to grab that exclusive free trial through the link below. This tool can truly transform the way you work with affiliates and resellers, driving better results with less effort. So, in conclusion, creating custom partner incentives on PartnerStack is a breeze with their intuitive interface and flexibility. By using flat rate, percentage-based, or milestone incentives, you can tailor your partner rewards in a way that aligns with your business goals. Remember, you can test out the platform completely free with my exclusive extended trial by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching, and if you want more tips on optimizing your partner program, stay tuned for more videos.